In today's video, I'll be showing us how to seal this packaging nylon without a sealing machine. If you are a small business owner, you make things like plantain chips, chin chin, peanuts, and so many other things. Even your food stuff, there are some food stuff you can package with this nylon, and there are some of them that don't need air to enter inside them. And if you don't seal it very well, air will eventually enter into them and spoil the goods, the product for you, which will result into loss. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you what I have been doing all this year, because I don't even have a sealing machine, but I do seal my plantain chips in this nylon. So I'm going to be telling you what I did, and I'm going to be showing you practically how to do it, so that you too, if you want to try it, you can try it out, and it also reduces cost. Some people might say maybe it takes time, but remember, you don't have a sealing machine and you want to improvise. So this video is for people that don't have sealing machine, but they want to seal their product and seal it neatly like a sealing machine. I'm going to be using just my packaging nylon. I'll be using my candle. This is candle. I've been using it all this while. This is candle. This is lighter, or you can use matches, your matchstick. And then I'll be using two metal spoon. Look at it. Steel spoon. This not plastic spoon. This one, so that fire does not burn it up. Okay. So now let's dive right into the practical. So I'm going to be using rice for this practical. I'll be using it because it's tinier than plantain chips, so you see that it cannot leak. So what I'll do now is to light up my candle, my metal spoons. Look for spoon, something that can lap with each other, please. If not, it will disturb you. So let's assume this is what I'm packaging. It can be full, oh. I'm just using this for practical, that is why. Okay. So you just fold it. Look at it. I've put it. This is the opening, and I'll fold it and remain something small here where my spoon can be fixed. Okay. Look at it. Make sure that you have small, tiny left. Tiny. I don't know if you can see it very well. Tiny outside here. That is what you're going to heat up to seal it. So you can start from the beginning, you can start from here and go down. By the time you do this once, twice, three times, you become faster at it. Remember, this is for small business owners that don't have sealing machine and you want your product to be sealed. Now this is it. Look at it. Can you see that it is not leaking? You can use your scissors to cut out the excess. Okay, can you see that it is not leaking? Now let's assume that your nylon is longer and you want to use it for more than one product. Now what you just do is to repeat the same thing you did here. Just give a little gap and repeat it. Just give a little gap and repeat it. Seal it up before you put another product. Hello. Yes, baby. Sorry, oh. So look at it. I've left small out again. So I'm going to seal it up. And use your metal object to press it. Now this is what you will have. Can you see that the lines are now double? You can use scissors to cut in between. Now let me pour the next package. You can use this to package almost everything. You can use this method to seal your nylon. Remember, you're not using your light nylon, you're using this hard type of sealing nylon, okay, that comes with its own gum, its own sealer. But we're not going to be using the sealer because after sometimes it will open and breeze will enter into whatever you are doing. Okay, you can use this for food stuff. Some people use it to package their crayfish. Okay, if you don't want breeze, maybe after drying it up, those people that export goods to outside country, you can use this method. Maybe your sealer is having issue for some time, or you don't have a sealer at all. So this method is for everybody. It can come handy at any time. So this is it. Let me get my scissors and cut out this excess so you can see what I'm saying. So here's my scissors. I just want to trim out the excess. So this is it. Can you see it? How beautiful and neat it is. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out, and if you find this video helpful, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video to your family and friends, small business owners, big business owners, because this can come handy at any time. Please share this video, like this video, drop your comments. Let me know if you'll be trying this out or if this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See you in my next video.